What if, one night, you looked up at the sky and the moon was gone? Not destroyed, not exploded, just replaced. In its place, a massive planet hangs silently above Earth. No warning, no sound. The oceans begin to behave strangely. The sky looks unfamiliar. Gravity feels wrong. This is not science fiction. This is a question scientists have actually explored. What would happen if the moon were replaced by other planets? To understand the chaos that follows, we must first understand why the moon matters so much. The moon is not just a beautiful object in the sky. It controls Earth's tides. It stabilizes Earth's rotation. It keeps our climate relatively calm. Without the moon, Earth would wobble violently over time. Now imagine replacing it with something far larger and far more powerful. Let's begin the experiment. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. At first, it might not seem very different from the moon. But Mercury is over 4 times more massive. The moment Mercury replaces the moon, Earth's gravity balance breaks. Tides become extreme. Coastal cities flood daily. Earth's rotation begins to slow slightly, making days longer. The night sky becomes brighter, filled with a scorched, metallic world. Still, Earth survives. Barely. But this is only the beginning. Now imagine Mars in the sky. Red, massive, terrifyingly close. Mars is 9 times heavier than the moon. The oceans rise violently. Mega-tsunamis strike continents. Earth's crust begins to flex. Earthquakes become constant. Mars pulls debris from Earth's atmosphere. Meteor storms rain down endlessly. Life struggles, but some ecosystems survive. For now. Now the nightmare begins. Another Earth hangs above us. Same size, same mass. The gravitational pull doubles. Tides rise hundreds of meters high. Entire continents drown. The 2 planets pull material from each other. Atmospheres collide. Massive chunks of land are torn into space. Within days, Earth becomes unstable. Within weeks, Earth is unrecognizable. This is no longer survival. This is planetary destruction. Venus looks beautiful from a distance, but its mass is almost the same as Earth. Gravity becomes overwhelming. Earth's rotation slows dramatically. Days stretch into weeks. The atmosphere destabilizes. Global superstorms form. Venus's gravity pulls Earth closer. A slow collision becomes inevitable. The sky glows orange. The oceans boil. Earth begins to resemble Venus itself. Hot, crushed, uninhabitable. Neptune is a gas giant. It was never meant to be this close. The moment Neptune appears, Earth is doomed. Its gravity shreds Earth's atmosphere. Hurricane-level winds cover the planet. The oceans are pulled into space. Earth is torn apart into rings of debris. There is no survival window, only destruction. Saturn fills the sky. Its rings stretch across the horizon. For a moment, it looks beautiful. Then gravity takes control. Tides rise thousands of meters. Earth's crust cracks open. Volcanoes erupt globally.
Saturn pulls Earth apart slowly, piece by piece. Earth becomes debris orbiting a gas giant.
This is the final scenario. Jupiter appears in the sky. Enormous, unavoidable. Its gravity is so powerful that Earth doesn't stand a chance. Within hours, Earth's orbit destabilizes. Within days, Earth is torn apart. Oceans escape into space. The crust collapses. Earth becomes a cloud of fragments. Jupiter doesn't crash into Earth. It doesn't need to. Gravity does the work.
This experiment reveals something disturbing. The Moon is not just lucky, it is perfectly balanced. If it were slightly bigger, Earth would suffer. If it were slightly closer, Earth would destabilize. Life exists because of a delicate cosmic balance. Change one object in the sky, and everything collapses. When we look at the Moon, we see beauty, but what we should see is stability, a silent guardian holding Earth together. The universe is not gentle. It only appears that way because everything is in the right place. If one planet can destroy Earth without touching it, imagine what else the universe can do. Follow for more space simulations that reveal how fragile reality truly is.